you happily ever after.
Hey vlog, so today we're gonna be going back to Disney to watch the fireworks show because we weren't able to see it the other day. And I came home yesterday and my mom had got me the little graduation cap and I'm really excited. And then I have a pin from a while ago, so I just put I'm celebrating senior year. So I'm really excited to go and see this fireworks show because they change it I think every single, I don't know, maybe like 3 months. I don't really know when they change it, but they do change the fireworks show a lot and it's never the same. So every time I see it, it's different, which is cool. So we will keep you guys updated throughout the day and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hi, all my fans. Mama, I made it. This one's for you.
Na 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 na.
Joke's
Ma'am,
on you and I'm actually graduating.
move your tassel, ma'am. You have now graduated. I think it's supposed to be the other way. Okay, so right now we're going to the little car thingies.
The race car.
Yeah, those things. Are we gonna ride together or are we gonna ride separately?
Together so I can crash
Okay,
us.
alright, I think she's gonna drive and I'm gonna be in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
Oh, and the lady, she said happy birthday, but that's definitely not what this says. So that's
celebrating senior year.
That's how it's going right now.
And look at her cute hat.
Oh yeah, it's so
Graduation,
cute.
Yeah. Yellow makes me so happy.
It's gonna be so bumpy. I'm not ready for this.
Yeah. Not even watching the road. One-handed, look at this.
Look on, no hands!
Brake check.
Pause. Hey, no texting and driving. That's illegal.
Ow!
Boy almost just got killed standing there. We just witnessed a car crash. Yeah, no one knows how to drive. This is so funny. Oh my god, they're gonna kill us.
Excuse me, watch out.
Whipping Maseratis on you. Blase, 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 blase. Ordered up 100 bottles in the club like blase, blase.
Ooh, look at that yellow. Ow, my hand just got a burn on it. What? Ow. My hand is burnt. Woo, we're both pedaling. Skirt.
Got him! Holland definitely just caused us to get some whiplash.
We need some Disney insurance.
We're getting ready to go on Space Mountain right now for like the 30th time this week. So see if we can record that because I'm probably gonna drop this, so.
I'm the rocket.
So we're getting ready to go on the teacups. And we're gonna try to get a picture, record, and take a boomerang all in one ride. And it's probably like 45 seconds, so. Okay, so we just got off the ride and we were extremely dizzy. Holland got up and she was like not able to walk. It was pretty funny. So I think we're gonna go try and find somewhere to eat and then go on our next few rides and then watch the fireworks. So
Yeah.
my hair's stuck in my earring. Just got her her cartilage double pierced. If I can get the but it's right now it's 8:25 and the fireworks start at 8:55. So we gotta see and we're just sitting here waiting for them to start. And she's struggling over here.
And they all live happily ever after.
See the light in the night with me. It's
Well, the boxes. Did you see that? That was so cool. Holland, how'd you like the show?
It was very good.
It was really good.
Show. I haven't seen that one before. So very good.
At the pond. We're on our way home. I look so scared. It's really I'm really tired right now. We're gonna get some ice cream. What's new though? We always get ice cream. We just got Jeremiah's and it's so good, but like I am so tired and she has to take the SAT for like the thousandth time tomorrow. So like, oh my gosh, you guys, I don't even want to talk about my nails. Like let's just not even talk about them. Like they're so crusty. But Disney was so much fun and thank you so much for watching this video. The lighting is so bad, but like it's okay. We can deal with it. My stream's gone. But thanks for watching, and we posted pictures, so you already know. Go like them on Instagram. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.